In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with any website. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, Shopify, an HTML site, Webflow, or Squarespace, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. So let's dive right in and make sure you can easily capture leads from your site. First, let's head over to GoHighLevel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sites section in the dashboard. Under Sites, you'll find an option labeled Forms. Here you have the choice either to create a brand new form or open an existing one. Whichever you choose, make sure the form is ready and customized to fit your needs. After your form is set up, look for the Integrate button and give it a click. Now you'll see an embed code. This is the magic string that will bring your form to life on your website. Copy this code carefully. With the code in hand, it's time to move to your website editor. The process is mostly the same across platforms. The key is knowing where to paste your code. If you're using WordPress, head over to the specific page or post where you'd like the form to appear. Use a text or HTML block to paste the embed code you copied earlier. For Wix users, open the editor and select the page. From there, add an HTML embed element and paste your code inside. Shopify owners, you'll want to go to your online store and navigate to the page or blog post. In the text editor, switch to the HTML view and paste your embed code there. If you're working on an HTML site, just open your page's code in a text editor, find the right spot for your form, and paste away. For those using Webflow, enter your page editor, add a new embed element where you'd like the form to display, then paste in your embed code. Lastly, if your chosen platform is Squarespace, open your page editor, choose Adblock, select the code option, and paste the form code. Once the code is in place, don't forget to save your changes. Finally, publish or update your site to make the form live to the public. And there you have it. Your form is now seamlessly integrated into your website. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test out your form by visiting the page and submitting a test entry to ensure everything is working smoothly. This way you can be sure that any potential glitches are addressed before your site visitors start filling out their information. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively integrated GoHighLevel with your site, creating an efficient way to capture and manage leads. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Good luck with your form integration, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a quick refresher.